Hi friends. Elon Musk, the sensational name in the world of technology and business. He started his SpaceX company when he was around 30 years old, developing reusable rockets. Falcon 9, along with the Dragon, the crew capsule, is one of the latest rockets taking humans to space. On September 15th, 2021, a mission was launched to take all civilians to space, not the professional astronauts, all civilians to space, and was successful. And they were in the orbit for 3 days around Earth and returned back to Earth. The intention is to take civilians to space along with the raising funds for the St. Jude's Children Hospital. A theme was there for the mission: leadership, hope, prosperity and generosity. Falcon 9 rocket is having two stages, stage 1 and stage 2. Stage 1 rocket is having 9 engines and stage 2 is having a single engine. The fuel used is liquid oxygen and kerosene, RP1 kerosene, that is used for this rocket. So kerosene and liquid oxygen are filled in stage 1 and stage 2 separately. The 9 engines will be ignited on liftoff. The rocket will go around 100 kilometers above Earth and the 9 engines will be cut off. And the stage 1 will be separated from the stage 2. And the stage 2 will take the crew, Dragon crew cabin to further height. Stage 1 will be steered and will be landing on a drone ship which is floating in the sea. Separate landing gears are available, hydraulic landing gears are available, and it will be steered down, and while sufficient engines will be ignited if necessary and will be safely landed in the drone ship. Stage 2 will take the Dragon to a further height and it will be pushed to the orbit. Stage 2 will be destroyed in the atmosphere. The Dragon along with the trunk section will be in the orbit for the required time. The maximum the orbit reached is 575 kilometers above Earth. The Hubble telescope is in 540 kilometers height, and the International Space Station is in 408 kilometers above Earth. For this Falcon 9 and Dragon model, I made with the available papers, cardboards and available waste materials, and I will explain one by one. This is the model of the Falcon 9 rocket along with the Dragon. See the 9 engines of stage 1. 9 engines of stage 1 is here, and the landing gears, the hydraulic landing here, you can see the hydraulic landing here. Then up to this is the stage 1. These are our drag fins used to steer stage 1 down to the drone ship. This will be used for steering. So then stage 2, the trunk section, then we have the Dragon. This one is the Dragon, the cabin for the crew. Then you can see the trunk section, that this will be having solar cells, the power for the cabin. Then you can see the stage 2. This is stage 2 with the single engine. This is stage 2 single engine. This is stage 1. This stage 1 they will be returned to the earth. The total height of the rocket is around 70 meters and the diameter is around 3.7 meters. Luckily, I got a tube. This tube is for the packing of canvas cloth. So this one is the tube I got. I used this tube. This around 3.7 inches in diameter. So I made a rocket up to this 70 inches height. The rocket is 70 inches height. Actually, real rocket is 70 meters. So I mainly used this cardboard tube for making the model. All other things are some paint, printing papers, almost all the papers. And this dragon I made with the thermocol for the base, and after thermocol I pasted some papers and removed the thermocol its cabin. And the nose cone can be opened. I will show you. See, the nose cone can be opened. The dragon, this will be used for docking with the space station. Previously it was used for docking with the space station, but now for this civilian mission they used a dome like window. This is cupola, this window, so that the astronauts can see outside, have a view of the space. For that a small modification was made by for this mission, Inspiration 4. So this is a cupola window. It cannot be opened, but people can see outside through this window. So this is the nose cone. So this is the model of the Falcon 9 rocket. Hi friends, hope you enjoyed this Falcon 9 model. We will meet in the next model.